Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize, and today we are wrapping a G63 Brabus G Wagon. You know how much I love these cars. Click here to see actually how much I really like these cars. I've got Bert in the car, look. Hi Bert. You okay? So that's the car, it's having a full wrapping like a blue color. The customer wants every single thing wrapped, including the carbon. I said, please don't make me wrap the carbon. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap the car first. I'll then send him a picture to see the carbon against the blue. If he doesn't like it, we'll then wrap the carbon, but I'm gonna try and convince him not, so it makes my guy's life a lot easier. I hope you enjoy this video.
Okay, so we have the G63 in the workshop. As we're looking over the vehicle now, the customer wanted pretty much everything wrapped, but we've come up against a few problems. Just from the way that they've actually fitted this body kit and the wiring that they've actually done on it, it isn't the greatest of jobs. For instance, the spoiler, we're actually meant to be wrapping the roof, but on the inside, even though it's bolted, they've actually masticed over the screws as well. So there's certain bits that we're not gonna be able to take off, so we've got to be careful with this vehicle. So as you can see, Pav's taking the front bumper off under Nicco's supervision, because you know he's got to be supervised on these sort of things. So we're also going to be taking the bonnet off for the boys as well, and we're going to try and separate the carbon. Obviously, we've got to be careful that we're not going to crack the carbon while we're taking it off, because it is bonded onto the vehicle.
Right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you say. It's just that I don't see myself. Keep in mind I got longevity deals now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along. Now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now. Just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now. I don't wanna be the last around, no. When the time's right, I light up in sunsets and Corvettes like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I care about the things you say. It's just that I don't see myself. Don't see myself no more. I don't see myself no more. Just don't see myself.
So obviously we're on the G Wagon, as you can see, all the boys had a night with it. If you come over here and see, obviously we've got the petrol tank. It's rubbing here and here. So what I'm gonna do is adjust this and move it more to the left. But before we do that, we have to get underneath the wheel arch, and there's two bolts here that are a nightmare to get to. So that's what we're gonna try and work on now.
Sunsets and Corvettes like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you say. It's just that I don't see myself. Keep in mind I got longevity deals now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now.
So as you can see where I've burnt it here, there's like bends and curves and stuff, so you get stretch. If you heat it, where you've got a hole, literally straight in the middle, burn the middle of the hole, it reduces the stretch from the outside. So it basically means that when I go around and cut this hole out, I know it's not going to shrink back.
Well, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best.
Hi guys, G Wagon nearly finished. Take a while to do this car. Takes like a week. Especially Nicco left me. He went to Italy. So yeah, it's difficult this one, especially with the body kits, with Brabus body kit. This take ages to do it. I think tomorrow this will be finished.
So the G Wagon is complete. It's a G63 Brabus, an absolute nightmare to wrap. Big arches, and the customer wanted everything wrapped in blue. Usually, when it's a black car, you can break it up, leave certain things. No, he wanted it all wrapped. We had a nightmare with the roof because the spoiler wouldn't come off. We've done all the hinges, we've done all the arches. He even asked to have the carbon wrapped, and I said, no, leave the carbon exposed. So that is it is finished. G Wagon, do you know how much I love them? Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.